Alright, so I'm not getting any beep. This heat gauge is supposed to light up and it's supposed to beep twice and it won't crank. Honda 225. So I'm going to try to change this relay. When I bought this motor, the guy sent me a lot more parts, and I have an extra relay on that wiring harness. So I'm going to change this relay and see if that solves the problem. Alright folks, so I changed out that main relay and it solved the problem. You had to unplug all those wires and take those couple bolts out, but that was the relay right here. And luckily I had a spare from that wiring harness, and that's what it's supposed to do.